Deck paint or stain peeling? Fixing that mess can totally change your outdoor vibe without breaking the bank. So, first off, you gotta get rid of all that loose, flaky paint or stain, like no half measures. Grab a scraper or a stiff brush and really get in there to clear it out. Next, sanding is your best friend here. It smooths out rough spots and helps the new stain or paint stick better. Use medium grit sandpaper for this job and don't rush it. Taking your time means a way better finish. Before you slap on any new paint or stain, make sure your deck is clean and dry. Moisture is like kryptonite to good adhesion. When picking a product, go for a high-quality exterior stain or paint because cheap stuff peels faster and looks worse. Apply thin, even coats and let each one dry completely before hitting it with another. And don't forget to check the weather forecast. Painting on a hot or super humid day can mess up the drying process big time. One of the biggest problems with deck paint or stain peeling is skipping the prep work. If you don't remove loose paint and sand properly, the new layer won't stick well and will peel again fast. Another mistake is using low-quality paint or stain. Those cheaper options look okay at first but fade or peel in no time, so invest in good stuff designed for outdoor use. Also, people often paint when the deck is still damp or when rain is coming. Moisture ruins the finish and causes peeling, so always wait for dry weather and dry wood. BigHomeProjects.com is a solid spot for homeowners wanting to find trusted local contractors who know their stuff about decks and other home projects. It's also great for contractors looking to connect with people who need real help, making the whole process way easier for everyone.